So you've ordered a hosted fax, and now you may ask, how do I use this? In this video, you will learn how to use your hosted fax in two different ways, through the Fax Portal and through your email. To find the Fax Portal, you will visit the website touchbasetelecom.com and click on Customer Portal Login in the navigation bar. Then you will click on Hosted Fax Login and you will be redirected to the Fax web portal. If you are logging in for the first time, you will use the username and password we have sent to your email. You will log in using those credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, you should see a screen that looks like this. To send a fax through the web portal, click the Compose Fax button on the top left of your screen. Now you will fill in the recipient information, especially the fax number, to where the fax is going to. You can add a subject line or add any comments about the fax or the documents you are sending, as shown above. All of that information will be transformed on to the fax cover sheet. To add any attachments, click the Choose File button and you will be taken to your File Explorer. You can then choose from there which documents you would like to attach. Once you are done filling out the information and adding your attachments, you can click the Submit button in the top left of the page to send your fax. Once you've submitted your fax, you should see this screen that lets you know that the fax has been successfully queued for delivery. To see the status of the fax you sent, go to the outgoing queue and see if it has sent successfully. If there are any issues with your fax going through, you will see it in the outgoing queue. You can check all of the faxes you've sent by clicking on Outbound History on the left menu of the page. And you can see all of the faxes you've received by clicking on Inbound History in the same left menu. You simply click on one of your received faxes where you will first see the cover sheet, then whatever attachment you were sent. And that's it on how to send faxes through the web portal. Now we will learn how to send faxes through email. To send faxes via email, compose a new message in your email browser and fill out the recipient information. You will put the fax number for the desired destination. It will be blank number at myhostedfax.com. To ensure your fax goes through, make sure to use at myhostedfax.com after putting in the fax destination number. You can now put in a subject line and some text in the body of the email if you wish, and all will be included in the fax cover sheet. To attach a fax document, you will simply click on the paperclip icon and attach any documents you need from your File Explorer. When you are done filling out the information and have attached your documents, you can click Send. You can see the fax you've sent in the Fax Portal by clicking on Outbound History. The faxes you receive will be sent to your email inbox as well. You simply click on the fax email and will see the cover sheet if there is one. You can then scroll down to see any attachments that came with the fax. You now know how to use your hosted fax in whichever way you prefer, using the Fax Portal or by using your email. Thank you for watching.